How to make a bread dough. Bread doughs are one of my favorite foods of all time. There really is nothing quite like a warm, fresh bread dough served with colada morada. This recipe is perfect. It's simple to follow and takes about half an hour to make. First, you're gonna buy any bread dough that you can get in any supermarket. Second, you're gonna preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or at 175 degrees Celsius. Third, you're gonna knead the bread. You can knead by hand or with a mixer, and you're gonna want to do this for about 10 to 11 minutes. Fourth, punch the dough. Once you punch it, shape it. Shape your dough by rolling it gently into a simple bread dough. Now place it on a greased bread pan. And bake the bread. Now you're gonna get all your materials ready. You're gonna need some caramel and Nutella to do the filling, and also some glazing to decorate. After about 30 and 40 minutes, your dough will be ready and you can take it out. You're nearly there. Now you can do the filling. Cut the dough in half and gently spread either Nutella or caramel or even jam. Finally, you're gonna decorate with some color glaze. Show your creative side. Now it's all ready and you can enjoy a delicious guagua de pan.